Hello and welcome back to my channel, Damsels and Dragons DPing. I'm sure you can tell it's a magical mail Monday. So I haven't done one of these in a while. I've been trying to keep my shopping on the DL with the holidays coming up, but there were just a couple of items I absolutely could not resist. So let's go ahead and get into these. I'm going to start with this one. This was from Miranda's Crafty Corner. And if I remember correctly, it's been sitting here for like a week. I ordered it even longer than that ago. But I think I got some holiday scents of her putties because I absolutely love her putties. Her putties in the stainless steel multi or single placers from Diamond Art Club. Oh my goodness, such an amazing combination. So I got cranberry and mandarin, Christmas wreath, coffee cake, hot chocolate, and gingerbread. And so I just love these. They're a white-ish putty, or like a off-white. It comes in these squares between two release papers. Ooh, and it smells so good. That smells like hot chocolate mix, you guys. Keep it out of reach of children and pets because it smells good enough to eat, but probably would not be a good idea. Again, I use it in my single placer and it gives me that little popping sound and I just love it. All right, this is a pen from Putty Pens. And I'm going to be honest, this one's been sitting here for a while and I actually forgot what this pen looks like. So it was a right to buy item. So they do their drops on Facebook. You comment like, pick me please. And then if you get chosen, then you get that pen. So comes in the bevel envelope. This was the less expensive shipping option. I did just get one from them and did pay for the more expensive, so I'll let you know how that's different. I'm wondering if it'll come in a box. This did come in the bag, but it's still wrapped up in bubble. Still great, like they pack them very, very well. Oh yes, and this is the one, it looks kind of like alligator scales, but purple. And I just thought it was really neat. I loved this, like, it's like an abalone look, but then it's got this dark around it, and I just thought that was so fun. Oh, such a neat pen. So that was my Putty pen. And then this is from Donna Bass Customs. She does drops on Thursdays, but these were actually custom. She had a few more snowflake blanks and she posted and was like, these are the rest of them. If you want something, claim. And I went a little bit crazy. So I actually got a pick on these, what I wanted. And I am so excited. Oh my goodness, if I can get into this box without hurting my pens. Okay. It would help if I cut all the tape. Note to self. Check for all the tape. See, now you know what I'm going to be like on the holidays too. Okay, there we go. Ooh, okay. Packed super well. She put all these little, oh my goodness, look at this. She even put a scented sticker in there. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. I did not know Scentsy made scented stickers, but guys, that smells amazing. All right, so it looks like she put my tips in this separate bag. I just asked for all singles. That probably helped them to fit in the box better since there were multiples. And then she put all of these colorful cushy peanuts. Look at those. Those are so fun. So these don't have tips on them, but again, I did ask for just all singles. She put those separate. So two of these, well, this one, so I know I asked, I was just like, just do what you want. Like, I picked the blank, but it was just a Turner choice. And I think she did amazing. So it has these iridescent snowflakes in it. I think that's the right word. And then this like white mixed in and this green. It's got a pretty thin hold there at the tip. I feel like I could totally hold both of those ends. That'd be comfy. It's nice shape. It's asymmetrical, like pretty similar, but not totally. Like it's similar in the middle, but then the two ends are a bit different. So pretty. Okay. And then this was, she was doing snowmen, and I had commented on a couple and not gotten them. And so I could have had them all made into snowmen, but I was like, no, I really just need one. So this was a white blank. And I was like, yes, I need a snowman. So he's so cute. So he's got his little hat, and she put his little face on there. Still though, super comfy to hold. Like, that little face is not going to bug me at all. I love these snowflakes here in this end. It's just so pretty. And it's got like, it's like got snowflakes and it's got shimmer. I'm not in the white. I don't know if that's picking it up, but it's like shimmery in the white. So it's so pretty. I'm going to be using that all winter. And then this, I was so excited. So I was like, okay, just do what you want. And then I was like, wait. You do custom or you do captive rings. So I was like, can you put a captive ring on it? Because I just think those are the coolest things ever. And she was like, yes, I can. And I'm, so there it is. Oh my gosh. I am beyond in love. Look at this. It's got this thick captive ring here. Oh my gosh. It's this beautiful pink. Oh my gosh. And all of them, like I said, all of her pens. I think I told her I like a medium to thin, but they're all just super comfy. Like I feel like I could hold all of those for a while. And I'm loving that ring, but it's not gonna like, I don't feel like it's gonna bug me, but I just like, I think it's amazing. It's amusing. And this one also has this like shimmer, in the white as I get that like way too close. Whew, so that was like my holiday haul that I just could not wait to open. I will link all of 3 of those shops so that you can check them out if you see something you like. If you enjoyed my video, please push like. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing for more diamond painting content. I do these Magical Mail Mondays, which are like a small shop haul. I do unboxings. I do whip and chats. And I'm always open to feedback of something else if you'd like to see it. All right, thanks for now. Bye.